Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with a short, active prep. Clean cards and make sure your hands are completely dry. Pour roughly 1/2 teaspoon of fanning powder into your dominant palm and cup it slightly so the particles stay contained. Now, rub your fingertips together over the powder to pick up an even, thin coating. This adds microscopic friction control. Once done, place the cards lightly on your coated fingers and try a slow, controlled fanning motion to feel how the powder changes the slide. And with the powder on your fingers, position the deck at about a 45 degrees angle and rest it against the base of your thumb and the middle finger. Use a gentle, even pressure across the long edge so the cards separate cleanly but don't snag. This is why the powder matters. It tempers too slick slides into a controlled spread. Once you feel consistent separation, practice short bursts of movement, making the fan wider a little at a time. Make sure to reset grip between attempts to keep distribution consistent. To finish, gently remove any loose excess powder using a soft brush or a piece of low-tack tape, then store your deck flat to preserve the coating. Reapply only tiny amounts, think pinch-sized, not a full spoonful. Incremental additions keep the feel stable. If the fan starts slipping too much, add a very small touch of powder and retest. If cards begin to clump or feel sticky, wipe them down with a lint-free cloth and start again. A clean surface fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.